Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm by name Afolabi Ariela Mariam, and this is simply Ariela's channel. So today we'll be talking about how to style your hair. The natural hair, you can use your relaxed hair in buns, just buns. I'll be giving you three bun styles. So let's get into it. Let's get started. I'll be using this. So let's get started. You just comb it out. So this goes to the back. When you go to the back, as you're drawing it back, you're drawing it like this. So you push it, keep pushing it, push it to the back. So this is it. This is the simplest bone you can think of. So this is it. And already laid the edges. So that's it for this. So you go like this, the same way, but now you'll be pushing the back. So this is for the front bone. It's so cute. Like, of all the buns, I like this because it's just like you're wearing a crown. It's just so nice. The last one is almost like this, but then it is one sided. Like, just pack it to one side. The same way you go this way, and then you can do it on either side. Just continue to push it. You can still push it. Yeah. This is it. I wish I had pins to design, to decorate the side. You just like arrange them and make it so beautiful. Just look at it. It's so nice. So if you find this video helpful or you find it interesting, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. You can tell me what you want me to do next, and it might just be what I wanted to do, or I can just take it and do it. So stay safe and God bless you. Gotcha. Thanks for watching.